Good morning, happy geometry students. We are doing circles this unit, so we're going to talk about area and circumference, which should not be new to you. We should know this. We're just going to do a little slightly different things with it. Area of a circle is pi r squared. Circumference of a circle is pi times diameter. Of course, if you don't know the diameter, you could just double the radius. Find the area and the circumference. So on a circle here, area is pi r squared. Do I know the radius? Yes, I do. It's 12. So I can do one of two things. I can do what we call an exact answer, 144 pi, leave pi in the answer. Of course, this would be square meters. Or I could do a rounded answer. For the rounded answer, we would go to our calculator and we would use the pi button. We would go 144. If you do second arrow, that's pi. And you could round it to, I don't know, let's do hundredth. 452.39 square meters. So we can leave our answer as an exact answer or a rounded decimal. That was area. Now let's do circumference. Circumference, pi times the diameter. If the radius is 12, the diameter is 24. So the circumference would be 24 pi. Or we could put that in our calculator and get 75.4. Whoops, this one's not square. This one's a linear measurement. So just meters. Now on this one, you have to half the diameter to get the radius. And I am not going to do that one. I think that's a little redundant. So let's go to find the radius and diameter if you know the circumference. So this one, I'm going to use pi times diameter. I don't know the radius or diameter, but I know the circumference. So I'm going to plug what I know into this formula. To solve that, I divide by pi. If you divide by pi, 65.97 divided by pi is about 21 meters. So what would the radius be? It'd be half of that, 10.5. So all I'm doing is using the formula to work backwards. On the next one, I know the area, but I don't know the radius and diameter. So let's divide by pi. 13 divided by pi is about 121. Well, that's a nice perfect number because I don't want r squared, I want r. So I'm going to take the square root of both sides. R is 11 inches. Therefore, what's diameter? It's double the radius. It's 22 inches. So there's a brief lesson on area and circumference.